1st, 2025. It's 11 a.m. Proof of posting, please.
The agenda was posted on Thursday, January 16th, 2025 at 4:15 p.m.
Okay, going to item B is discussion and/or action regarding the following subjects of the McLennan County Public Facilities Corporation. And so under B1's adoption and annual appointment and reappointment of officers and directors resolution. So, morning, Mr. Bristow, how are you today?
I'm okay. Got a little bit of a bad voice, but
Well, sorry you're sick. Hope you get to feeling better.
no,
So,
feeling fine. My voice leaves me. That's all.
all right, is Francis on as well?
Yes, sir. I know she was going to join.
Okay. All right, between the three of y'all, if, and maybe Herb take a stab at it, but just for those wondering what this meeting is about, if you would explain PFC and its origin and its purpose.
And Judge, I'll kind of start out, then I'll let Francis touch on the financial component, and then Herb can correct anything or add anything he'd like to. So,
Thank you.
so in September 2008, the court issued a certificate for order that created a nonprofit public facilities corporation under Chapter 303 of the Texas Local Government Code. This public facility corporation was organized for the purpose of financing on behalf of the county an eligible jail, criminal detention, and correctional facility, and to be responsible for the operation of such facility. And then we are required to have that annual meeting, of course. And so, Francis, anything you want to touch on from the financial side?
So for the PFC, and we talk through these, at times through the year, and of course they're in our annual financial report, but we hold two funds for the PFC. We hold an operating fund, and then we also hold a debt service fund. And so we accumulate revenues from the housing of prisoners, and then we use those funds to take care of the debt service on the original bond for the Jack Harwell Detention Center.
What's the length of those bonds?
The bonds go through
Like another 9 years.
yes, sorry, 2035.
Okay. So those were 20 years when we refinanced it in
2015, yes.
2015.
2015 restructure, redid it all, and they've been working as scheduled. We're knocking down a little over $2 million a year in principal on them, and they should pay off in 2034, 2035. Unless we do something.
Does the
different.
PFC go away when they're paid off?
It can. Some people keep the PFC. It was originally established by the legislature to allow counties to sort of do this off-balance sheet financing for public facility projects. There are, most of them ended up being detention facility projects, but there were some other public facilities like golf courses, hospitals, community centers, that sort of thing that were financed with them. But short answer is it can go away if that's your desire. If you want to keep it in place and use it for other purposes, you can do it. Here, since we're self-operating, it will just it will make it that much more efficient, and that principal and interest we're paying to the bondholders and the trustee will come to the county. So.
Okay.
Also to note, those bonds are taxable.
Yes.
The interest that is paid is not not tax-free. So
To the investors.
to the investors, yeah.
Right. And that was one of the reworks we did in 2015. The IRS challenged the private activity of these type facilities, and we were able to restructure it, and the bond market at that time it bought them as taxable at a fairly decent interest rate, and I don't even know what the rate was, but bottom line is that they're working and the reason they're taxable is because the IRS started to challenge them, and we were able to restructure it to avoid that challenge. Will, you got a pretty good memory.
Yeah, that was one of my, that was a pretty interesting, interesting times with the whole audit fear and things like that, you
Yeah.
know? So I think and we ended up saving, God, I mean, how much money did we end up saving? Like $3 or $4 million, something like
Yes,
that?
there was a significant
There was
savings.
significant savings by even doing them taxable,
Yeah.
so.
Timing's everything.
Yep.
Yes, it is.
All right, if any other questions or comments on that, okay, under B1's adoption and, adopt annual appointment and reappointment of officers and directors resolutions. Board is, made up of Scott M. Felton, County Judge, James Smith, Commissioner Precinct 1, Dale Wilson, Commissioner Precinct 2, Will Jones, Commissioner Precinct 3, and Ben Perry, Commissioner Precinct 4. The officers are Scott M. Felton, County Judge, as President, Andy Harwell, County Clerk, as Secretary, and Bill Helton, County Treasurer, as the Treasurer. And so if there's no other questions or comments, entertain a motion to approve the resolution reappointing of the officers and directors.
I would move, that would be my motion, Judge.
Second.
I have a motion and a second. Any other discussion? No other discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Pass. Under B2 is establish the annual meeting date for 2026. Typically, the court schedules an annual meeting on the third Tuesday of January. For 2026, that date is Tuesday, January the 20th, 2026. If there's no discussion, is there a motion to approve that date?
So moved.
Second.
All right, I have a motion and second. Any other discussion? No other discussion. All in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed? Pass. Under C is approval, ratification of the minutes for the previous meeting, which are in the package, and recording of the previously approved documents and documentation not requiring action. So that all that is in front of you. So if there's any questions, please ask them at this time. Otherwise, I entertain a motion to approve the ratification.
Motion to approve. Second.
Have a motion second. Any other discussion? Other discussion, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Pass. All right. Anything else to come before the court? Or actually this body? If not, we will stand adjourned at 11:08 a.m. Thank y'all very much. Thank you. Herb, hope you get feeling better.
Recording stopped.
That was a record PFC meeting.
That's quick.
All right, Mercedes, I've got some documents for you.
Okay.